Hi and welcome to this week's Table Talk with
Amy
and Sophie. And this week we have been in 2 new schools.
We have. So we were in St Jude's near Brixton, chatting with Year 6s about kit. They were testing kit on iPads. They were giving us their feedback about what they liked, disliked, what they wanted to change. Technically, what did they think about? And it was great to see it validated again, hearing again the fact that the kids like to be heard, like to have someone to listen to them, like the talking out loud.
Yeah.
Good morning.
It was great to hear how the kids felt about how the app looks and feels, how they feel about holding down the button while they talk, and get some inspiration from them on what they would do to solve some of the issues that we're facing when we're creating and designing.
But it's been a totally different story today. We're in Kingsbury High and we're working with Year 10s, and it is not the same in any way.
It's amazing to see the difference in kids age 11, now at 14, and their ability to be open and talk to us.
The fact that they're embarrassed, they feel awkward, they don't like to talk in front of each other, the gender split, boys to girls, the questioning around why would you want to talk to a robot, the cynicism. We're having to really think about what this means. How do we evolve it? How do we design it? Getting their input has been really useful. It's been tough.
We've had a tough few sessions, but we're learning. Thank you so much for tuning in again. We'll speak to you next week.